Hello and welcome to Healthy and Beautiful Life channel. Today we are here to discuss on what is pancreatic disease, what are its type and what causes and its symptoms. Generally, this topic has come to the limelight due to the ODIA famous comedian Pappu Pampam has been diagnosed with this disease. So before we go to the topic, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then press on the subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of our upcoming videos and you are not gonna miss any of our video. So let's begin. Pancreatic disease caused due to lack of generation or secretion of digestive enzymes, because our pancreas reproduces or secretes digestive enzymes which helps for digestion. So lack of such secretion causes pancreatic disease. Generally, pancreas is of two types, acute and chronic. So now let's go to know what are the causes of pancreatic disease. Pancreatic disease is caused due to high consumption of alcohol, due to high amount of fats in our blood and high amount of calcium in our blood. These all causes pancreatic disease. Now let's go and know what are its symptoms. The first symptom is that when we are diagnosed with pancreatic disease, we may undergo chronic vomiting or nausea. With that, it may also undergo epigastrium. Epigastrium means there will be a chronic pain or sudden pain in our upper stomach. With that, generally we feel a pain in our back as well. And with that, it causes bloating and we may get fats in our blood and there shall be loss of appetite. With that, we have a high amount of sweating and you may also undergo fast heart rates, as well as there will be a drastic and sudden weight loss, and you may also feel fever, and point is that there will be lack of production of insulin, which these are the symptoms of pancreatic disease. So if you face any of these symptoms, then visit your concerned doctor so that you may get cured with such pancreatic disease. For this is for today. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.